ನೀನ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡು. Hi everyone, welcome back to Glamour with KP. Today is the first time we have taken Shiro on train. So I just want to share this experience, a little guide for others who are planning to take your dog or cat on train. There are mainly 4 steps. The first step is to book a coupe or cabin. If you're 2 people, book a coupe. If you're 4 people, book a cabin. But if you're 3 people, then in that case, you might get a cabin and one person might not be able to adjust with the dogs and all.
I love dogs. Doesn't everyone?
So in that case, I saw on other YouTube videos telling that the 4th person, you put it in someone else's name.
What did he say?
And when you board the train, when the TTR comes to check, you tell that person has not shown up. So that is one way of getting a complete cabin. If you're 2 people, this confusion we had actually. So we are totally 3 people who are traveling, me, my husband and my sister-in-law. But we didn't want to take a risk of paying one more ticket. Like for the 4th person, we have to pay, right? It will be around 1,000 rupees.
1 minute later.
So we had this confusion. So what we did, we booked only 2 tickets, two people in coupe, and 1 person we booked it in third AC. So for these 2 people, what we did was, first step, booking the ticket. So once you book the ticket, you will not know whether you got a coupe or cabin. So just like how you go in sleeper or third AC, you will get a seat allocated, right? So for example, S6, 6th seat, lower berth, upper berth, those things will not be there here at all. You will just get a ticket telling that against your name, confirm, that's all. Nothing else will be there. So you will get to know that only 4 hours before the departure. That is when the chat gets prepared. So our train leaves at 11:15 and we got our confirmation telling that we got a coupe only at 7:15 PM. Okay, so this is one thing to keep in mind. So until the last minute, you will not know whether you have got a coupe or cabin. Definitely no. Second step, you have to go to the registration office. So in our case, we went to the registration office. We are boarding from Bangalore, KSR Bangalore. So what we had to do is we checked in the reservation office, but what they told was like we have to go to regional office. Regional office we have to go. Regional office or regional office? Divisional office we have to go, not regional office. So divisional office, I'll put a video of how the building will look. It is right next to the KSR station. Okay, so in there you have to go. You have to give a letter telling that these many people we have booked in first class and please allocate us a coupe. Our train number is this. Train is traveling from here to here. The boarding point is this, and this is our PNR number. So you have to give all these details and then you have to put it in box. No need to meet anyone. You just have to put it in a box. Just like a complaint box, there will be one box. So you have to put it there. This you have to do it 48 hours before the travel. So today is Thursday, we are traveling, and we did it on Tuesday afternoon. We went to the divisional office and we put the letter. Third step is to get a medical certificate. This you have to do 24 hours before. So for us, the medical certificate was valid only for 1 day. It depends on each hospital, I guess. So in our hospital, the pet's medical certificate was valid only for 1 day, so they gave it. It cost some amount. For us, it costed 1,300. And fourth step, on the day of travel, 4 hours before your journey, when the chart gets prepared, you will know whether you have been allocated a coupe or cabin. So once you know that, you have to book a ticket for your pet. So there are 2 ways for it. One is online, one is through parcel office. You have to take your dog to the parcel office and based on the weight, I guess, they'll give the ticket. So what we thought was we'll get it online. So 7:15 our tickets got allocated in the coupe. So we were checking in IRCTC, the pets or dogs or cats ticket booking section it is not available on the phone mobile app. It is available only on the website. The problem with website is when we clicked on the dogs or cats ticket, it showed 500 internal server error at the time of leaving. So 7:30, we were not able to book the ticket through online at all. How much ever we try, mobile, laptop, everywhere, 500 internal server error. The page was not loading at all. So what we did, so without ticket, if you take the pet, I think you will be fined. So we rushed to the parcel office. So parcel office is open only till 8 p.m. We started at home at 7:30. Only half an hour to reach the parcel office. So
2,000 years later.
by the time we reached the parcel office, at the home also we were trying for booking the ticket online. So after some time, around 8 o'clock, the portal was working fine. Server error went off and we were able to book the ticket. So in that page, you just have to give your phone number, OTP, CAPTCHA, and then your PNR number, mail ID, and then tell which pet you're traveling with, dog or cat. Okay, so based on that, you just have to pay some fees. So for our Shiro, it didn't ask for any weight and all, it just asked whether it is a dog or a cat. So once we selected one dog, it gave us 180 rupees. So that ticket, you will get it on the laptop also, and you will get it on mail also. So this is the final step, 4 steps. So once you get everything, you just have to come to the railway station. You need to go to the parcel office and you have to board the train. And the TTR came just few minutes back. For us, he didn't check the luggage ticket and everything. He just asked the name, just as usual, how it happens in other compartments. He just came here and he asked what are the names. That's all. He saw the pet. He didn't ask anything. So this is how the journey is. So just be prepared, even if the IRCTC website is not working at the end moment. Just make a note of from when to when the parcel office is open, so that you can go get your tickets and everything. If it is a late night train, I don't think so you will have the parcel office open. So all these things matter. So I suggest you to take some time. Don't keep everything at the end moment, so that it is very easy for you and it is not hectic at all. And for dogs, you have to get everything. Either they'll sleep with you on the berth or on the floor. So we got a mat from Haft and we are using that. And the water and everything you have to provide. It is all clean and everything. So, and just make sure your dog is well behaved. It doesn't shout much, because I think once it shouts, other passengers who are sleeping, it will get disturbed to them. So we just have to maintain that. Apart from that, everything was smooth for us. Only thing was that the last moment, this pet ticket booking was a little hectic, since the online portal was not working. So just be precautious about all those things. So that's it. So all the best for everyone who's going to travel in train with pet. Bye bye.